Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that if I put number 0 going here and here, this one we have sine of number 0 that is about 0. This one we have number 1 minus 1, we have 0. So in this situation, we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have 2 cosine 2x. First derivative of e to the power of 3x. We have 3e to the power of 3x. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. And now we put number 0 on here and here. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. So we have 2 over 3. That is the end. Thank you for watching.